Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows update installing error code is 0x80070020. So guys, it's very easy and simple method this will solve. So first you need to click on the search bar. Now type troubleshooter. Click on troubleshooter settings. Now click on other troubleshooter. Now click on this Windows update. Click on run. Some 2 minutes this processor will be completed. If this processor will be completed, so close it and search bar click on it. Now type cmd. Now right click on command prompt. Now click on run as administrator. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now type sfc s scan now. Now click on enter. You see this? So wait some 2 minutes. This processor will be completed. It is after this processor will be completed. So close it and restart your PC or laptop. Then after restart your program will be fixed. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.